When I was doing the artwork for Good Day, Good Night, I deliberately planned little nods and homages to Goodnight Moon throughout the pages of the book. In Goodnight Moon, there's a little mouse that you can see on the pages, and at the very end, he's in the windowsill. In Good Day, Good Night, I've also placed a little mouse, and it's very small in some pictures. Sometimes it's very little and hard to find, but it's throughout the book, and it comes inside at the end and is on the windowsill. Finding that mouse is kind of like a little Easter egg, which is a lot of fun for kids to find. Some of the tributes, the most obvious I think is the bedspread in the little bunny's bedroom. It has the same stripe and coloring as the curtains in Goodnight Moon. There are building blocks on the floor in the little bunny's bedroom, and they have MWB for Margaret Wise Brown. I have a bedroom that has windows and a moon rising. In Goodnight Moon, there's a cow jumping over the moon, but in my book, it's not a painting on a wall, it's on the nightstand and its bookends. When it says, "Goodnight, bees, time to rest," there's a grown-up bee reading to a little bee, and they're reading a book. They're reading Goodnight Moon.